Hey, COM107. My name is Ashley Smith. It is term 5, unit 5. The discussion for this week is on public speaking anxiety. I personally do not like doing this. I cannot, I'm not a, I don't like talking to myself. I feel like I'm looking at myself and I'm talking to a screen. But anyway, enough for that being said. Um, the assessment that we had for the discussion, yeah, a lot of that is a lot like me. Um, just depending on um, some of it is, some of it isn't. Like some of it's a little personal, perspiring. Like, how would you really want to answer that? And you wonder, like, just by the numbers, the way the answers are, you're like, okay, so if I get a certain number, like, she's going to know what I answered on that question, that kind of thing. And that's kind of embarrassing. But anyway, so I wasn't really surprised. I was more so embarrassed. Um, but yeah, I took a different approach to the assessment. I went from the bottom down instead of, or the bottom up from the, instead of from the top down. I went from the bottom up. I started with step 3, and it said to take 72 and subtract the total or sum of step 1. I did that. I got the total from that and then did the math. And we all came up equal and with the same grade, kind of like our when we chose our topic. Um, I chose technical communication, telecommunication. Um, I'm working on trying to distinguish the difference in communication and communications. Why communication is not communications, and technical communication and telecommunication, and the different types of what telecommunication really is, and trying to transition that into the studies that we have learned so far in class and into my field of study, and what I am going to school for. But anyway, yeah, I chose like one of the most difficult topics. It has been very, very challenging, and it only gets better because we're getting down to crunch time. So, wish me luck. I wish you all the best. Um, I personally, I really don't get nervous. I don't think I have more of a, yeah, I do get nervous. I get hives. Like you see this red on my neck. I break out in hives. I don't really have anxiety. I get like complete dry mouth and like my tongue feels like it is going to stick to the roof of my mouth. But anyway, good luck to you guys, and I hope that you knock your anxiety. Good luck.